we're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and 4 of tamari, then 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 cloves of garlic, and whisk it together. Okay, and now we're going to add the tofu and give it a good mix and let it sit for a few minutes. Then you want to sear the pak choy in some tamari and then pop the marinated tofu in the same bowl. That'll save on washing up. Put it on a really nice high heat so it'll get those beautiful grill lines, and then hopefully it'll help it go a bit crispy. Add the noodles and stir those through and then serve up. So I started by putting the noodles in, then I did the seared pak choy, then I added some steamed greens, got some sugar snap peas and some tender stem, and then top it with that lovely tofu, which is so tasty. And then you want to top it with some spring onions and sesame seeds to garnish.